Hi everyone. I wanted to just go over the quick error in Fusion trailing edge length. When we hop into Fusion, this is happening in turning right now. And today's date's 6/17/2022. It has been happening for a few weeks. If I create a new turning tool here, or a new turning operation, and I go to select a new tool, let's pick one from the Fusion library. This is where we'll see the error come up. If I hit select, add this to my document, and it's not going to be tool number 2, so I need to edit something on here. What happens when I right click on here and say edit tool, you'll see that insert is red and there's some italics around it. When I go to this page, it shows me that trailing edge length, the value is not specified. So no matter what value you put in here, you won't be able to get this to accept it. And the trick to change this, if you're trying to edit a tool or edit some sort of parameter, let's say we need this tool to be number 7, it still will not let me save and accept the change. So all you have to do here, just go to turning general, change this to turning boring, and then simply just turn this back. Now you might have to go through and adjust some settings with the holder and whatnot, but now you'll be able to accept the change. Hopefully that helps. Thanks very much.